You want to know how to create a basic mini BMI calculator in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get started. Now, first things first, it's a pre-copy Java compiler or GUI-based application, and once I've run that here, you can just simply copy up this code right here. So how this code works is we just simply ask the user for weight in kilograms and height in meters. Using the formula BMI equals to weight divided by height squared, we calculate the result. Then with simple if-else conditions, we classify it as underweight, normal, overweight or obese. This teaches us input handling, arithmetic operations and conditional logic in real-world scenario. You can just simply try it out. Type your numbers and instantly see your BMI along with a category. It's practical, short and perfect for beginner tutorials. So it's a short 89 code right here, and you can just simply run this code to see how it works. You can just simply enter your weight, your height, and here you can see your BMI. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.